The boring business is not the one earning while you sleep. It is the one still working when your chair is empty. But owner absence and business abandonment look identical from outside. The difference is whether a repeatable system keeps delivering value without you.
So forget asking, which idea sounds passive? Ask what must be true, before customers, workers, and cash flow can move without you. Test 1 is recurring demand. If customers naturally need the result again, tomorrow's revenue begins with less persuasion than today's sale. We will run 6 businesses through 5 tests: recurring demand, owner dependence, starting capital, payback speed, and the risk nobody advertises. Test 2 is owner dependence. A business cannot earn during your absence when every quote, repair, approval, and apology waits for you. Test 3 is starting capital. Automation is rarely free. You usually prepay with equipment, software, training, or someone else's learning curve. Test 4 is payback. Revenue can look impressive, while your original cash remains trapped inside machines, vehicles, leases, or unpaid invoices. Test 5 is risk. We care less about dramatic disasters than the ordinary leak that quietly ruins an otherwise good model. First, commercial cleaning. Offices may look glamorous from the lobby, but predictable money often enters through the service door after closing. The real asset is not a mop. It is a repeating contract that turns Monday's completed work into next Monday's scheduled visit. Recurring demand scores high because clean workplaces become dirty again. Better still, the customer notices immediately when the service stops showing up. Owner dependence starts high, then falls when checklists, inspections, route supervisors, and replacement workers make quality observable instead of personal. Capital needs are relatively low, and contracts can repay equipment quickly. The catch is funding payroll before every client pays you. The hidden risk is labor churn. Lose one reliable cleaner, and your supposedly passive night can become an emergency shift by midnight. Here is the payoff. Boring wealth is not sleeping through work. It is designing work that no longer requires your constant presence. Before buying anything, disappear on paper for 1 week. Write down every decision that would stop revenue, service, or trust without you. Then choose by constraint, not fantasy. Available capital, transferable skill, local demand, and the risk you are actually prepared to carry. Which business survives your sleep test? Tell me your constraint below. Money made simple. This is the simple coin.